Okay, hello everybody. We'll go ahead and get started. First and foremost, welcome to the 4th Annual DAOS User Group. My name is Kelsey Prantis, and I am the head of the DAOS organization here at Intel. We're very excited to have all of you here with us today and to continue to see a growing and thriving community of partners and customers that are interested in DAOS. We do have a very full agenda today and want people to be able to drop into individual sessions as needed. So I am afraid we will have to be very strict with time slots, and we will be interrupting if necessary to keep us to schedule. We hope you all can understand. And one more piece of business before we get started. All sessions will be recorded today and will be posted on our DAOS YouTube channel at the URL at the bottom of the screen. And a last reminder to please go on mute if you are not the current speaker. So getting started, we thought it would be good to take a look at the current DAOS community roadmap. There have been some changes on here over the last 6 months or so. We have merged our 1.2 and 1.4 releases into a single 1.2 release. That is the most notable change someone's likely to notice on here. This was done in order to able to gain some efficiencies inside of our organization. We had a lot of feedback from customers that erasure code was really a key feature upcoming for them and where they really wanted to intersect with DAOS. So by combining our 1.2 and 1.4 releases, we're actually able to save some time so that we can have a more complete erasure code preview in the Q1 timeframe. So we hope that our customers will enjoy being able to get an earlier look at some of our erasure code functionality. So sort of taking a step through the roadmap we have today, you can see here there's a number of features. I'm not going to go through all of them here today, but a few I did want to call out in our upcoming release include the completion of our replication and self-healing functionality. That's, of course, a really key data protection feature for DAOS. We also will have online server edition to enable you to be able to add servers to your existing DAOS file system. We also are planning on productizing our Lustre unified namespace integration for this release. On the application interface front, we also have some more advances. HDF5 vol with async and without async are going to be available. We also plan on having our Spark support tested and available, as well as a POSIX-based data mover. Looking out to the future to our 2.0 release, we look to have a lot of key features intersecting in this release. I already mentioned erasure code. There also will be advances in our telemetry and per job statistics and in our control plane to help and ease the administration of your DAOS file system, as well as distributed transactions, which is a feature we're very excited about, as well as multi-OFI provider support. We did have one additional announcement that we wanted to make this morning. We are changing the license for DAOS. So currently, we have a Apache 2.0 license, and we'll be changing it to a BSD plus patent clause license. This is based on a number of customer feedback that we received that was requesting a GPL v2 license for DAOS, and the Apache 2.0 license was not compatible with GPL v2. So we went ahead and we wanted to then move to this more minimal license that actually allows even more freedom in the way our community can use DAOS. And this is going to allow us to integrate with a number of other GPL software, such as Lustre, MariaDB with MySQL, FIO, amongst a number of other options. We also wanted to let everybody know that we have also been working on a DAOS technical training program. We've been recording a series of short video recordings that will be publicly available on our YouTube channel. Hopefully this will build, in addition to our documentation that exists on DAOS.io, to be able to give more in-depth explanations for how DAOS works and help guide people through how to set up and to use their DAOS file system. Lastly, I just want to highlight a few resources for the community. We do have our community website at daos.io. We also have a community Slack channel, which is very active in a way that you can talk with the DAOS community directly. And if you do subscribe to our mailing list, we do also invite you to our Slack channel there. So with that, I am going to turn it over to our first speaker.